Namaskar. Nowadays, many of us have started seeing sugar as a very dangerous thing. Excess sugar causes many health problems. But there are some substances in the common food that we eat today that are even more dangerous than sugar. I am talking about processed or refined carbohydrates. These are the carbs which are present in processed food like white bread, pastries, and sugary cereals. Now, let me tell you why such carbs are bad for you. First, processed carbohydrates have a high glycemic index. That is, when they reach inside your body, they can cause a sharp increase in your sugar level. This is very bad. If it keeps on happening every day, this can lead to even chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes or even cancer. This happens because of the high sugar level in the body. Second, refined carbs can lead to higher level of advanced glycation end products. These AGEs are compounds that are found when proteins or fat in our body combine in the sugar in our blood. AGEs are believed to cause many dangerous diseases like Alzheimer's and cardiovascular diseases too. Refined flour will produce more AGEs in our body than sugar. So mindfully reduce the refined flour on a daily basis. And did you know that refined carbohydrates can affect your dental health as well? We often think that sugar is the reason for bad oral health, decaying teeth, or other dental problems, but refined carbs are a lot more dangerous for oral health than sugar. This is because refined carbs stick to our teeth and then bad bacteria begin to grow in these stuck food particles. This leads to oral cavities and gum diseases much more than sugar. Processed carbohydrates will also spoil your gut health. See, when you keep on eating processed carbohydrates, the good bacteria in your gut die. They are replaced by bad bacteria which are not good for your health. These bad bacteria can cause bloating, gas, constipation. Processed carbohydrates do a lot more damage to your gut than sugar. Refined carbs also cause more damage to the environment than simple sugar. This is because it takes more resources to make refined carbs than it takes to make sugar. While excess sugar is definitely bad for you, refined carbs could be more dangerous than sugar as well. See how many problems are created because of refined carb. They can cause craving in your brain, and because of cravings, you will struggle to give them up. Here are some tips which should help you to deal with these cravings for refined or processed carbs. First, limit sugary beverages or drink as they are major source of processed carbs. Second, whenever you buy a packaged food like chips or snack, read the ingredient list. Avoid products that has refined grain and artificial ingredients. Look for options made from whole grain and have minimal processing. Third, try to eat homemade snacks. Fourth, if you can't cut them out completely, start by reducing their quantity. That is, instead of 2 cakes, try to eat 1. Fifth, introduce herbal tea or cinnamon or ginger tea into your routine, which helps in blood sugar regulation and indigestion. Sixth, use herbs like coriander, cumin, and fenugreek in your food because they have anti-inflammatory and blood sugar regulating property. Remember, good health is not only about what you eat, but also about choices you make to nourish your body and mind. Namaskar.